Hey everyone, so here is DIDI Rider app. So this is like Uber alternatives for specific countries, like Mexico, Costa Rica, some other countries. And what you can read in reviews for this app, that the rates would be cheaper than Uber. And yeah, it's just while you're on a holiday, on travel in some countries, there are just better alternatives than Uber or Lyft in those areas. So just like the interface looks very similar to Uber. You just select your location where you want to be picked up, and then you drop off location, and then you just select different services. Then you can just select different types, or you want to deliver packages. And then yeah, there you have it. Then you just tap confirm. If you want to add a payment method, you just select to add card or cash. So yeah, that's basically the process. You can see through reviews that great, but don't add your card info. But sir, like yeah. So yeah, some people have good reviews, some reviews are not that good. Not working in China, Okinawa, so it also works in Japan, by the way. So if you travel in Japan, then in Mexico. So yeah, like this app has mixed reviews. It's not that popular as Uber. You can see there are much less reviews, but average rating is still pretty good, 4.8, and it's still pretty like affordable ride. So yes, you can see it's just in the name that this affordable ride. So this is not some luxury service. This is just when you want to save some cash in a new country and you want to avoid like very expensive taxis. That's where this app is good at. But of course there can be some issues and you should be actually quite careful. So then yeah, then you can just deliver it, and then for example you will see all your trips. You can add a payment method here. You can also just pay with cash if you want. You can use cash taxi ticket to pay for DIDI rides. If you use a coupon, please ask the driver for the final fare. There are some discounts. No. So yeah, then there is help, then there are messages, service accounts or dialogues. I don't know if these are the drivers can message you. Then there are settings. You can add, change your settings. If you don't like the app, you can just easily delete your account from here. Oopsie. Then you can just browse through the settings. You can add your favorite places like your home address, your work address. Yeah, just like all the standard things. Also, if you wanna you just invite friends, but again you can only do that in the available locations. You can tap drive with us and apply to register to be a driver here. Then there are some promotions and scanners. So that's basically what it is, just like an app overview. Yeah, so definitely if you're traveling in Japan or Mexico, for example, Costa Rica, this is just some of the countries I know it operates in. So yeah, you can give this app a try in these countries. So yeah, hope that's helpful.